Hi, hi everyone. Welcome back to Hostpark CH channel and back to exclusive tutorial for artificial intelligence. This is exclusive tutorial helpful for who are preparing for UGC NET and based on the recent syllabus of 2019 and so on. Let's go for a session today. Today we are going to discuss the algorithm called A star AO star algorithm. That's what we are going to already in the sessions. In the playlist you can check. I explain the difference between the uninformed search and the informed search. And informed search we already discussed about the A star algorithm. Today we are going to see the AO star algorithm. What is the AO star algorithm? Why we need and how it works with some small examples. Very easy and simple examples. So you know it's one of the informed search algorithm. You have to remember it's an algorithm where is the best algorithm for solving cyclic AND/OR graph. So AO star is the algorithm where it is follow the AND/OR algorithm, and moreover we discuss the difference between A star and the AO star also. Here the problem can be divided into a set of subproblems where each subproblem can be solved separately. Again repeating, here the problem can be divided into a set of subproblems where each subproblem can be solved separately. Let's go for the example. First you think this for a understanding purpose. Let's assume that our goal is acquire a TV set. So if you want to acquire a TV set, two route is there. One way, one solution is goal. This you want to immediately miss steal TV set your friend's house or somewhere just for understanding purpose. Or else you can go another option with under a cyclic graph, that is earn some money and buy a TV set. So this is the best one. Do hard work, earn money and buy a TV set. So like that will be there. Like that you can follow the cyclic graph AND/OR method. So this is the one where we will get the optimal solution also. Let's go for the example. We go for the another mode, better understanding. But so here this is the first, take the example one where you have node. So we are going to the promising node. So A and B, C, D is there. Let's find the let's assume that the cost is 1. That means where let's assume that here the cost A to B is 1 by default, and A to C is 1, and A to D is 1. So if you follow the A star algorithm, what you do, you can easily find out that is what is that one, 5 plus 1 6. You can write 5 plus 1 6. That is the one solution. So but we are going to see the promising node as per AO star algorithm in the view of artificial intelligence. So what happened here? So we can find out this only. So we can't find only this one. We have to consider these both. So that what, see here the heuristic value is 3. So 3 plus 1 4. How 9 come here? So here 3 plus 1 4. Then what is that? 4 plus 1. Then 4 plus the default cost is 1 is equal to 9. It comes. So you have to calculate the cost like optimal solution. Find this optimal solution like this only. That means what, if you take this node, you have to follow this entire one. If you take this node, you have to follow entire node, root node with the successor nodes. Let's go for another example. Here also can easily get it. Let's assume that you have node goal node. Your starting node is A and node is G, like that. So if you let's assume the root here, and same the cost of the cost between A and B 1, and this A to C 1, and D to C is A to D is 1, like that. Now how to find this cost? So simple and easy. So here two ways. First, if you follow A star, you can easily do what is that one. So here you how 17 came, that is 5 plus 1, okay, then plus here 10 plus 1, here 10 plus 1, cost is same 1, 10 plus 1 is equal to how much? 17. 17, like that you can find. But we are going to follow the A star algorithm, so we can leave like this. Let's assume that your goal node is G here. So if you want to find this method, no, cyclic method, so if you want to find a G, you can stop here. You have to take care of this all successive node, that is a prominent node, all the areas prominent node. So let's go for calculation of the entire optimal solution. Get the calculate the cost of this node, that is A, this path A, C, D and everything. How do you calculate? It means it come totally 38. How means easy and simple. So your goal node is G. You have to visit all the successive node, all is in the predominant node. So here what is the G value? Heuristic value G 3. So here 3 plus 1. Then what is the G 3 plus 1? And H value was 4. Here unit cost is just cost is 1. So here 3 plus 1. Then 4 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1. So how much here? 4 plus 4 8 and 9. So one way get it. This next what you can do this root value. So what happened here? I value is heuristic value is 15 plus 1, so 16. So plus 16 plus, similarly the J value is 10 and this cost value is 1. So 10 plus 1 11. So like this you can follow it. So now what happened now and at last, so it become 27 here. So it become 27 here. At last here you have one more is there. What is that? A to D is 1 and A to C is 10. So you can add that values also, plus 1 and plus 1. Now you add now. So 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 9 plus 16 25 36 plus 1 37 plus 1 38. So simple and easy. So remember, if you want your goal node G or I, whatever there, if you visit this successive node, you have to see all this entire one. That is A to C to G and A to C to H and followed by A to D and I, J and so on. So this is the AO star algorithm. How it works means like this only. This is one example. This is example. So again repeating. If at A star what you do, it will definitely give the solution and also best solution with a shortcut with a short distance. Here not possible. That is one drawback. In A star what happen? We can follow it and notes. Here AO star not like that. Even if you get the goal and get the answer here, it go and it visit under is there no. It node. What are the successive nodes will be there? Successive node, everything is visited. So here I am explaining here. If you have only B, what happened is not your goal node. So 5 plus 1 16, 6, then 10 plus 1 11. So 11 plus 6 17. You go for your goal node G and so on. So we are going to calculate the cost here. That is 3 plus 1 4, then 4 plus 1 5. That is 9 here. That came 9 here. Similarly here 15 plus 1 16, then 10 plus 1 11. So totally 27, and this cost A to C is 1 and A to D is 1. So if you add everything, your value will be 38. So this is a simple method how AO star works in the artificial intelligence concept. Let's back to PPT. So remember, this is one of the best algorithm where it all solving the cyclic undergraph problem easily. Whenever the problem is difficult, we can divide the problem into sub problems and where each sub problem can be solved separately. Okay, if you have any queries, please communicate in the social media anytime, and please like, share, comment, subscribe, press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.